Now, you might be wondering what's inside this wonderful ceremony survival kit, but it's something that you will need at any point in a ceremony, beginning or end. We have things like scissors for cutting off those snips of cotton perhaps that are on the bride's dress or the bridesmaid's dresses. We have got wet ones for wiping the makeup off the jacket of the groom after he's been cuddled by 100 guests who've arrived. We've got safety pins for the last minute alterations or fixes to the broken zips. Paper clips so that your certificates don't blow away in the wind. A lint brush to perhaps clean off the groomsman or the groom if he's been hugged by someone in a furry coat or given the dog a last minute cuddle on his way out the door. Chalk, used in many ways in the ceremony, can be used to mark the spot for the bridal party to sit. It can be used to take off marks off the girls' white dresses. Invaluable in a ceremony situation. And spare batteries for your microphone, spare batteries for your headset, spare batteries for wherever you might need them, and spare pen. You should always go to ceremony with a second pen so that when the first pen runs out, you can very smoothly pull out the spare pen and have no problems with signing your certificate. Now, again, if you would like to receive this wonderfully prepared ceremonial survival kit, enroll with us here at Rose Training for the month of, and we will post you out this at the end of the month.